Hey, Gary here. Today, GroovePages update. We're inside of GroovePages. The new GroovePages came out August 14th, 2022. This is August 16th. We're looking at GroovePages 2.0. We're doing a duplicate, or we're duplicating the page, or we're trying to clone the page. So we come here and we go duplicate the page, and you duplicate the page and it just gives you an empty page. It doesn't actually duplicate what's on the page. Of course, if you go to clone, that is another way to clone the page. Of course, here you can clone to this site or to other sites or to a different site that you created, and then you push that to the primary navigation or a separate navigation. Clone the page. This was not working either. We'll go ahead and click this. That looks like the clone page is now working. So clone page is now an option. I did contact support yesterday and they gave me another option if duplicate and clone doesn't work. In this case, what you would do, you'd go to the page that you want to duplicate. This is the page we want to duplicate. You would come up here to the code. You would click this little code button, and here you can see the source code of your page. There's two different sections here. You need to first copy this section. So you would select all, and then you would copy that into your buffer. Then you would cancel that. Then you would go back to your page, the page that you created that is blank, and you would do the same thing here. You'd click on that source code. Here you would go back up to the first line and paste that in. Go ahead and click save. You can see it put in some of the elements there, but now you need to go back and you need to go to that page again that is working, the page that you wanted to duplicate or clone. Then you need to copy the style section, and you do the same thing here. You copy that, cancel out of that page, go back to the page that you are creating with this workaround. Again, understand this is a workaround where you can go into the code and you can just copy and paste the code from the page that you want to copy. Hit save. Now you can see that that page has been copied and pasted over with a manual workaround method of using the code. Again, the code is up here next to the preview pane. It's this little hashtag looking // Click that. It gives you access to the source code. Here you can see the source code isn't showing up here for some reason, but looks like it is working. So we have done that, and now we have duplicated the page. Of course, it does look like that the clone option is now working. I did contact support yesterday. They got back to me and gave me this workaround for clone and or duplicate. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and good luck with GroovePages 2.0. If there's anything else you've seen that you'd like an update on, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.